This is Packet Tracer 853, and we're going to be configuring and verifying standard named ACLs. And our objective is to create standard named access list and test access list functionality. The first thing activity wants us to do is verify current connectivity. So from PC0, we're going to ping the web server and then the file server. So we need the address of that one, 192.168.200.100, and the file server is 192.168.100.100. Okay, so we'll go to PC0 and we'll go to the command prompt and ping 192.168.200.100. Okay, and now we're going to ping the file server. It's 192.168.100.100. Okay, now we're going to go to PC1 and do the same thing. 192.168.200.100. And the file server, which is 192.168.100.100. And finally, PC2. I'm going to ping 192.168.200.100. And ping the file server at 192.168.100.100. Okay. So all three workstations were able to ping both the web server and the file server. So the next thing we're going to do is create a standard named access list. So we're going to go into router 1 and go to the command line interface and enter the configuration mode. Okay, now we're going to create a standard named access list. So we're going to enter IP access list standard. And then file server restrictions. Okay, now we're going to type in deny 192.168.20.0 and 0.0.0.255. Then we're going to deny host 192.168.10.3, and then we will permit any. Okay, we'll exit out of configuration mode. Okay, now I'm going to apply the access list outbound on the sub-interfaced fast Ethernet 0/1.1. So in the global configuration mode, interface FA 01.1, and I'm going to apply this IP access group and this file server restrictions, and that's out. Okay, I can exit that, and we can do a copy run start to save our configurations. Okay, now we're going to verify the ACLs are working properly. So the first thing to do is go to PC0 and to our command prompt, and we're going to ping 192.168.200.100, and we're getting a reply. And then we're going to ping 192.168.100.100. Okay, then we're going to go to PC1. Do the same. And okay, so that's part of our ACL, destination host unreachable. So he was able to ping the web server but not the file server. And then we're going to go to PC2 and ping okay, and then okay, so they are able to reach it. Permitted that. So that completes this activity of configuring and verifying standard named ACLs. We created a standard named access list, and then we test access for functionality. So that will complete this activity.